The upcoming club was formed with the intention of uplifting the name of our college, but in its way, it has achieved way more. From organizing alumni talks to organizing the TED Talk, the upcoming club does it all. Well, introducing to in front of you, IT Whiteboard.
Thank you, Shaurya. Whether you are at home due to COVID, aspiring to join IET, or an established alumni, you certainly want to know what your favorite college is up to. That's where IT Whiteboard comes in. Good evening, everyone. I'm Juhi Singh from Mechanical Third Year, and I, along with Anshika and Abhinav, are here to brief you about Whiteboard, the student media body of IT Lucknow. Next slide, please. So IT Whiteboard has been actively operating since 2018, and ever since it has been evolving exponentially. Whether it's curating content aiming to strike the balance between elaborate jargon and convenient expressions, spurring ideas and messages worth knowing through graphics, or creating fun videos, we do it all. We aim to provide IET a platform on social media covering activities related to the college about which you learn in the upcoming slides. Shaurya, can we have the website video? And then Anshika can take over.
Yes, sure. Anshika, up to you.
Yeah, I hope everybody found the video insightful. Good evening, everyone. This is Anshika Yadav, IT third year. And as Juhi already acquainted you with the purpose of the student media body, I would further like to take you through the different ongoing series and other creative content based in and around college that we put out through this website. So here we go. First, we'll talk about Gems of IET. This series basically lists and documents the achievements of our seniors in hopes that when you read it, you find the required guidance and inspiration to follow in their footsteps and achieve your dreams. Next is Atypicals of IET. This basically highlights the fact that engineers can be anything that they want to be. This puts light on the seniors who have developed commendable careers in fields which are unique with their unconventional choices. And next is Humans of IET, or HOI as we like to call it. When you all finally get to college, you will come across so many faces that will become a familiar part of your college life. And this series makes sure that you know their stories as well and not just their faces. Next are series like Alumni Speaks and Alumni Connect, which basically provide you with the opportunity to connect with their alumni and learn from their journeys and experiences. And we are also planning to put out series like Know Your Professors and Intern Diaries soon. And in this slide, as you can see, that you can also find a lot of creative content on topics related to college and informative articles on events that are held here, like TEDx or Convergence, etc. And then comes the Freshers Intro and the Freshers Survey. This comes with the aim of familiarizing you with your batchmates' interests, hobbies, achievements, etc. Next slide, please, Aditya. Yeah, so as the slide is rightly titled, your guiding lights right now. Campus tour. This basically takes you through the 100-acre campus of IIT Lucknow, which comprises of hostels, administrative wings, canteens, playground, dispensary, bank, an auditorium, and a sports complex in the near future. And this is also your one place to find any information, all the information about any college club that you're interested in, and the fests that are held here. And next, finally, is our publication, Freshman Guide Freshers Survey. This comes with the aim to familiarize you with our college by providing you insights. And I'm pretty sure most of you might have already stumbled through our IT Whiteboard website while trying to get to know more about our college. But if you haven't still already, I would suggest you guys go through it. And now I would like to hand it over to Abhinav to take you through the next slides. Welcome to IIT. Good luck, everyone.
Hello, everyone. My name is Abhinav Mishra, and I am in EI third year. So, Whiteboard Connect is an initiative which was started a few months back after tireless efforts from the side of our alumni who graduated in recent years. The vision associated with WB Connect speaks of bridging the gaps between current students and alumni and establish a culture of giving back to the college as an interactive activity. So as of now, we host multiple sessions titled Career Guidance Episodes and Inspire Sessions. There have been around 10 sessions in Guidance Panel, where we hosted alumni coming from different reputed companies like Microsoft, organizations like ISRO and DRDO, among many others. Under the Inspire session, we have had only one session for now, where we hosted Vivek Tiwari sir, who is a 2003 graduate and is currently the product manager of Xbox at Microsoft. Also, we have more aspirational motives under this initiative, where we want to develop a one-on-one mentoring mechanism between a current student and an alumni. So, for example, if a current student wants to start his career in the field of, say, ML or robotics, he can arrange himself a mentoring session with an alumni currently excelling in the field. This way, he can learn from his mistakes and also know what went right for him down the lane. So all of this and a lot more is yet to come under this project. The website address is mentioned in the slide itself. You can always log in and register yourself. Can we move on with the slides, please? So the team right now in the second year consists of approximately 25 students, and they are the ones who are looking after the working and operation of Whiteboard at the moment. They are an immensely talented bunch of engineers, and I'm sure all of you are going to work together and come up with some amazing ideas in the coming future. Talking about what you can expect being a part of Whiteboard team, one of the core factors that Whiteboard team believe in is that whenever we take step towards the new projects, we try to give a creative angle to it, which makes working on it a lot more fun and exciting. Secondly, the coming up of Whiteboard Connect initiative is going to enable you people to interact with the successful alumni of our college firsthand. You are going to understand the how, when, and what of different sectors from the experts themselves. Lastly, we aim to facilitate different events like TEDx in the near future as well, being a part of and leading which will allow you to sharpen your marketing and social skills. Welcome to IIT Lucknow. Thank you.
Okay, so now let's talk about the selection process. You can give auditions for any of the three divisions mentioned in the slide. First one being content writing. It basically deals with taking interviews, writing articles, etc. Then we have visual design department, where we design graphics and poster, edit videos on softwares like Premiere Pro, Adobe After Effects, Adobe Photoshop, Filmora, and all of that. Then we have the technical department, which basically deals with web handling and handling of all our social media sites. So right now we have three amazing websites under us, which are itwhiteboard.net, itwbconnect.in, and TEDx IT Lucknow, which have to be regularly updated. So the team handles that. Now, so the selection process has been divided into two phases to ease it out for the freshers as much as possible. Phase one is where our hardworking second year team members will guide and train you everything from the basics. So no need to worry if you think you don't have the skills, because they'll mentor you. And then phase two is the auditions, where tasks will be given, followed by a personal interview. Yeah, so just like Abhinav mentioned, we are glad to announce that we'll again be conducting TEDx IT Lucknow in the coming future. So to get regular updates, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. All our content is available on our website. We have a YouTube channel as well, where you can find freshers video, alumni connect, etc. We have mentioned the number of followers which we have gained till now, and it has been possible only and only because of a hardworking team in a short span of just 2 years. So we hope to see you soon in our team as well. Thank you.
Okay, Juhi, thank you for the lovely presentation. Well, students, if you wish to be the face of this college, I believe this is the club for you.